Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov, and today I'm gonna show you amazing work of Russian nail technician nicknamed Teddy Bear. He works in his own nail studio and he has hundreds of clients. Every day she works and has more than 6 clients, and he has his personal nail technique. Now you can see his work, and step by step I'm gonna show you all this work in details. Now Andrew is removing the old product. In some areas we have liftings, just because this is the very difficult client. She works with the water, and sometimes on some nails, especially on the middle nail, she has liftings. But Andrew used to remove all the lifted product, and he will place the new product on that areas. Andrew is working with a flame drill bit, and he is removing the pterygia. After removing the pterygia, he is proceeding with shaping and buffering nails before primering and placing the base gel. It's very important to prepare nails to the perfection before placing the new product. Some nail masters never prepare nails, and they waste their time for shaping nails after sculpting. It's also necessary to remove the dead skin using the mushroom drill bit. This one works perfectly, and it's removing the dead skin like a butter. But you shouldn't remove all the dead skin. We can divide all this process on two parts: before placing and sculpting nails, and after on the last phases. This way you will never hit the skin of the client and make cuts. Andrew loves this product just because the consistency is perfect. He has advanced this composition of gel product. The consistency of gel product is also ideal for sculpting gel nails. As you can see, the gel is not flowing and it perfectly aligning through the nail plate, so we can sculpt nails very quickly and easily without using special products like acrygel, so we can do it very fast. If you watch Andrew's tutorials, you will learn this technique and you will do gel nails the same way like he does. As you can see, guys, Andrew has sculpted gel nails, curved them in LED lamp in 1 minute, removed the thick layer, and now he is shaping nails and creating the ideal shape. What's the name of this shape of these nails? This is the cat claw nails. This stiletto gel nails has the flat sidewalls, but cat claw nails are a little bit rounded to the tip or to the corner of the nail. So what do you think about this shape of nails? What do you think? Is it easy to live with such shape of nails? Have you ever had such shapes? Let me know down in the comments. The control bit perfectly removes the gel in cuticles area, and after we can proceed with this drill bit and remove some gel from underneath on the nail plate and the dirt. So if you want to do ideal nails, you should try to use the control bit. As you can see, we have some dirt and old nail. This is the natural nail. We should remove it to avoid putting the dirt in this area. Andrew always do that, and he also applies the top coat from underneath of the nail plate to protect nails from the dirt and from liftings. As you can see, Andrew uses his favorite cat eye gel polish. This is amazing and suitable for the Christmas nail designs. As you can see, he's trying to lift up particles of this magnet gel polish to the top, and this creates fantastic effect. So he just move the magnet close to the side walls with the left and right sides, and this way the particles are lifting up. This effect is fantastic. This is amazing top coat, the extra gloss by shapeofnail.com. Andrew has in love with this coat from the first usage. He likes this one and he says that he will never use another one. You can order the same top coat from shapeofnail.com. The big container has 60 milliliters, so you can use this small container like Andrew uses for loading this top coat on the brush and apply this final phase of the work. As you can see, the gel is thick enough and it doesn't flow. It's very easy to use. It has no sticky layer. After curing, we can shape nails and it looks amazing. After the message, we can take a look on the final result. Nails are fantastic and suitable for the new year. This is like the Christmas toys. Amazing nail design. What do you think about these nails? Let me know down in the comments. See you tomorrow. Bye.